Okay, students, we'll begin with the next thing with regards to your profit maximization is its demerits. We call it as even criticism or argument against profit maximization. Okay, now what some of the people will tell, yes, Baba, profit maximization thing is not clear. Why? Because of the following reasons. They say it is vague and ambiguity. Vague in the sense what? It is not clearly expressed. Clearly expressed in the sense, is it short term profit or a long term profit you are speaking about? They say like this way. They say it is ambiguity also in the sense what? Profit maximization has more meaning than a single word, that is what? Profit. Okay, it is more meaning for a single word. Okay, so it conveys different meaning to different people. Some people might take profit, whether is it profit before tax or after tax, is profit long term or a short term, they think in that perspective. Okay, so that is what it is not clear what they say. Okay, that is what the first criticism. Next one is what? It ignores the interest of stakeholders. Now, who are the stakeholders? Who are directly or indirectly related to a business are called as stakeholders. Profit maximization only think with respect to a firm, not to the stakeholders like shareholders, employees. It only think हाँ बाबा firm को profit चाहिए. It will not think on these people. So that is, it is a selfish nature of the firm, that it is only thinking to earn a profit, not a giving any benefits to the stakeholders. The next one, it ignores the risk factor. In the sense what? Risk factor, what will happen to my business later. Okay, we are just thinking on the profit. Now what happens to this Bajaj scooter? It is literally out of the market. Now how to sustain it? It will be sustained with respect to what? Now the risk factor, what it is telling all about. Okay, so it only is thinking what? To earn the profit. The next one, it is ignore social responsibility. Social responsibility in the sense, helping a firm should help to the society. Nowadays they are doing social responsibility, but in prior it was not to that extent. So it is literally thinking that social responsibility, it is not thinking, the firm is not thinking about social responsibility. So these are what? Now your criticisms of, okay, profit maximization. Students, these are important five criticisms. Okay, I mean to say four criticisms. Okay, which will be asked for 5 marks. Thank you. Please go through it. If anything is not understood, we will discuss in Zoom class. Thank you.